Hello everyone, this is Suraj Bhaviskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Suraj Bhaviskar Trading. I am delighted to see your response to my earlier videos and really want to thank you guys for your love, support and comments. Do send me your comments on earlier videos so that I can share valuable information or topic with you guys. Today I am excited to share with a topic impact of global events on local stock market. So you guys might have seen there are a lot of news coming here and there, and that has potential impact on your local stock market. So what are those global events which are having impact on your local stock market? So global events like geopolitical tensions, economic indicators, global health crisis, natural disaster, central bank action, trade agreements, currency fluctuations, technology development, commodity price movement. So these are the global events which we will see how it impact on your local stock market, and we'll cover some example as well. So moving on to first global event, that is geopolitical tensions. So increased uncertainty and risk aversion can lead to a market declines. This is a possible potential impact on your local market for a geopolitical tensions. Example, political conflicts, trade disputes, international sanctions. So you might have seen this one in year 2020 after COVID-19. Lot of countries have done these sanctions and other stuff. So this is the impact, could cause an impact on your local stock market. Moving on to second global event, that is economic indicators. So positive or negative economic data can impact investor sentiment. For example, GDP growth, unemployment rates, inflation, interest rate change. So these are the economic indicators which have impact on your stock market. So you need to evaluate, understand, and then see the impact on your stock market. So guys, yesterday India's GDP growth rate has increased to 7.3% versus 7.2 versus year on year basis, sources by a government news agencies. So you may see the impact of that in your local market in India. Moving on to next global event, global health crisis. Significant negative impact due to economic disruptions and uncertainty. So example, pandemics, outbreaks like COVID-19, health crisis affecting global trade and supply chain. So you might have seen in 2020 after COVID-19, you might have seen the global chains has impacted, global trade has impacted because of the global health crisis. So you need to understand those things before taking your decision, or you can understand the impact on your local stock market. Next aspect is natural disasters. Local markets may be adversely affected or impacted, particularly if a key industry are impacted because of a natural disaster, like earthquakes, hurricanes, floods affecting infrastructure and production. So because of natural disaster, most of the domains or companies or industries are affected, so they cannot function with their full strength and they cannot utilize all their resources. So because of that one, their production may has impact, and that can see on the that particular sector in your local stock market. Next point is central bank action. Changes in interest rates or monetary policy can influence market trends, like interest rate hikes or cuts, changes in quantitative easing programs. So these are few examples where each country is having their central bank, and their action has impact on their local market. So you need to understand that point. So on every quarter you might have seen there are interest hikes or cuts according to their policies. So those are the important points we need to consider. Next global event is trade agreements. Trade deals or disputes can affect industries and trade dependent stocks. So bilateral or multilateral trade agreements between different countries, tariffs, trade tensions. so they may have potential impact on your local stock market. So you need to understand this point also and keep in mind, and then take your decision accordingly. Global event like currency fluctuations, exchange rate movement can impact multinational corporations and exports. So you might have seen different currency pairs are having impact because of change or fluctuation in currency for those countries, and currency devaluations like changes in exchange rate policies may have a major impact on your currency. So consider this aspect also, having a potential impact on your local stock market. Next aspect is technology development. Advances or setbacks in technology can impact related stocks and sectors. Breakthroughs in technology, cybersecurity threats, regulatory changes may have a major impact on your local stock market and that particular sector. Okay, last global event is commodity price movements. Changes in commodity prices can affect industries tied to those commodities. For example, oil price fluctuations have impact on all local stock markets. Changes in agriculture or metal prices may see a lot of impact on local stock markets. So guys, here are detailed global events which we have considered today to see the impact of those events on your local stock market. So try to understand those things and trade accordingly. Guys, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, so this is just for educational purpose, and happy trading. Thank you.